30 to perfect Friendship Day gift ideas for best friend. You will surely get some good ideas in this video.
Customized wooden photo frame.
Caricature. Hair clip. Motivational frame. Customized chocolate. Personalized heart-shaped pillow. Smartwatch. Wallet.
Trophy.
Ring.
Watch. Wooden fridge magnet. Mini plants. Customized pen. Chain. Photo frame. Handbag. Teddy bear. Mug. Personalized plaque. Bracelet. Keychain. Shoes. Backpack. T-shirt. Neon light. Photo holder. Plants. Pull-up message box. Novel. Earring. Canvas painting. If you want to buy these items, check the link in description. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.